Today we're breaking down the best AI video software tools of 2026. Not hype, real tools you can use now to automate video creation. Whether you're doing shorts, long videos, or trying to minimize human work, this guide helps you choose the right engine. Let's dive in. AI video tools have exploded recently, but not all of them are made equal. Some automate most of the work. Others still need heavy hands. We ranked them based on automation potential, ease of use, and output quality. First up, Pictory turns script text into full videos. It auto-generates scenes, visuals, and captions. You paste in your script. Pictory builds the video. Best for script-to-video workflows, automated exports non-live informational content. Pictory handles voices and visuals without heavy editing. For now, it's one of the most reliable low-touch engines. Time cost, 30-60 minutes, script plus upload. Money cost, $20.50/month. Next, Synthesia. Synthesia lets you generate videos with AI avatars. You type a script. The avatar speaks it as a realistic presenter. Best for talking head videos, tutorials, explainer content. This feels closest to having a virtual host with zero filming. Very low human touch. Time cost, approximately 30 minutes. Money cost, $30/100/month depending on plan. InVideo AI lets you drop a text script in and generates whole videos. It adds clips, music, transitions, and voiceovers automatically. Best for social media videos, batch content, short to mid-length clips. InVideo AI automates visuals and sounds with minimal clicks. Time cost, 20-40 minutes. Money cost, $20.60/month. VidAI's AI video generator is strong for social shorts. You paste a script or even upload text and it builds video segments automatically. Best for TikTok, short squick, repurposing, batch, rapid output. It's extremely low touch, ideal for daily shorts. Time cost, 10-20 minutes. Money cost, $10.30/month. Visla is an emerging script-to-video tool. It turns text into visual scenes, adds voiceover, and matches stock visuals automatically. Best for rapid drafts, internal prototypes, quick iterations. Not as polished as others, but blazing fast. Time cost, 10-25 minutes. Money cost, $15.40/month. Hagen is another avatar-centric generator. You type, the avatar delivers. Best for simple explainer, talking head videos. Lower cost than Synthesia in many cases. Time cost, approximately 30 minutes. Money cost, $20.70/month. Kapwing script to video. Kapwing has an easy text-to-video tool. It pairs text with visuals and simple voiceovers. Best for low-cost experimentation, free or cheap entry tier. Not as polished, but great for quick output. Time cost, 5-15 minutes. Money cost, free tier available. Adobe Firefly AI Quick Cut. Adobe is moving into AI video. Firefly Plus Quick Cut can generate visuals and edit clips based on prompts. Best for hybrid projects, semi-automated edits, pro workflows. This one still needs a bit more manual polish. Time cost, 30-90 minutes. Money cost, part of Adobe subscription. How we ranked the automation potential tools that produce a usable video with the least human touches rise to the top. Quality of output, sharp visuals, coherent audio, usable scenes. Ease of use, less menu diving and troubleshooting means faster workflows. Cost versus value, real monthly pricing compared to output gained. Quick category winners, best for zero-touch automation. VidAI, Visla best for talking head. Videos, Synthesia, Hagen best script to video base, Pictory InVideo AI best budget entry, Kapwing most flexible, Pro Tools, Adobe Firefly. How to use this information. If your goal is AI start to finish automation, start with VidAI and Visla for shorts. For longer videos with human-like presence, add Synthesia or Hagen. For robust library-style creation, Pictory plus InVideo AI is a good backbone. If you want help testing these tools and ranking them by actual time spent per video on your channel, I can help build a test matrix next. If this helped, please like the video, follow the channel, and drop a comment below.